How to turn off location history on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off location history on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now go down until you find this one, location. Click on it and then click location history, and then all you need to do is just one click on location history, and that's it for today's video. That's how to turn off location history. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.